every single day, what I want you guys to do, and I talk about this all the time, you should be looking at your 2 to 3 charts that you love, right? You guys know I always have SPY and Apple. Of course, I'm always monitoring everything else, but these are always on my screen. I'm always trading off of these. But you guys should take your 2 to 3 charts, use the pre-market setup that we have, also set up every day pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low, market exactly like I have in here. This will help you because when we start to get up to double tops, double bottoms, etc., you can also notice I marked one in gold. You can see here on Apple, this is a gold level. The reason is because look at how many times it touched and could not break through this. So this is a major resistance level. So I want to see this in gold. You can also see that I mark some of these when I want to tell myself, hey, this is where I'm going to go long. This is where I'm going to go short. So I already know by looking at my chart, because you guys know I have to bounce around 100 charts in a day to show you guys and what we're doing and what we're looking at. I'm already set up for success. Put everything you need on your screens. Now, the reason, again, that I didn't mark this is because this was so high, but if I wanted to, I could put Apple up here, right? And this would be my previous day high. So you just right-click your chart, go to Drawings, Text. I just put in PDH, or Previous Day High. It'll look just like this. I always put it just above the chart. That way we know when we're looking at it, and when we get to those key levels, you're going to know right away. And then I'll be able to use this throughout the whole day, right? So just a quick pro tip there for you. It'll set you guys up.